Yeah, but he just didn't make it down the steps.
What room was this?
This was his bedroom. This is where he was laying.
Who was that?
That fella downstairs.
I was talking to just now?
Yeah, the blonde-headed boy.
Oh, okay.
He was up here asleep, and see that's his windows. That's what I was telling him. His two windows. He felt the rain coming in and making him wet, and he got up, and then he said when he did, he seen a transformer blow up, seen sparks, and then he just started coming down the steps, hollering at me, and
yeah, we are in a bedroom right now, actually. Wow.